Governor of the Eastern Caribbean Central Bank ECCB Timothy Antoine has commended the government of St. Kitts and Nevis for its tabling of two banking bills, the Banking Amendment Bill 2023 and the bill to amend the ECCB Agreement in the National Assembly on Tuesday, which will help to protect the financial system. While addressing media practitioners in St. Kitts and Nevis as part of the bank's 2023 country outreach mission on Wednesday, Governor Antoine said, quote, "Slow passage of legislation poses the single biggest strategic risk to ECCB's transformation agenda," end quote. Governor Antoine said that one of the things that the Banking Amendment Bill does is to ensure that people who serve on boards of financial institutions are people of integrity so that they will not pose a risk to the financial system.
One of the things that bill does is to clarify the fit and proper criteria for members who sit on boards of our banks or licensed financial institutions. I mean, there are deposits in the currency union of 25 billion. I don't have the number for St. Kitts and Nevis to hand, but obviously it's a few billions as well. National Bank alone, the size of National Bank is a $3.6 billion bank, the single largest bank in the currency union. It's very important, Mr. Williams, that the people who sit on these boards are fit and proper. They have the requisite skill, they have the requisite integrity, they have the requisite commitment to serve as board members and senior management. And one of the things that the amendment does is to require that people who are nominated to serve on these entities are referred to the central bank to ascertain that they are fit and proper. And it is important for that process to happen before they are formally appointed and are seated, because we want to avoid a situation where somebody gets nominated and then we have to remove them. But the law also provides for natural justice, for due process. So if the central bank...
The governor said by passing these key pieces of legislation, the government is helping everyone.
The Banking Amendment Bill and the ECCB Agreement Amendment Bill were tabled in Parliament for first reading yesterday. So I am encouraged by the commitment of the government to move forward on this legislation. And again, I make the point, when the governments pass these pieces of legislation, they are helping ordinary folk. They are helping quote-unquote poor people. If you think of wealth creation, which is something that we need to do as part of wealth income generation in the currency union and in this federation, the investment funds bill, the securities bill, the Eastern Caribbean Security Regulatory Commission bill, all of those are a suite of legislation to support wealth creation.
St. Kitts and Nevis is the fourth largest economy in the Eastern Caribbean Currency Union, with a gross domestic product of just under $3 billion.